Hello, my dear students, and welcome to my Easy Maths class. Since exam is around the corner, all of you are quite concerned about the final exam, obviously. Today, I have decided to show you few MCQ and ACQ type problems. Means question carrying 1 marks, question carrying 2 marks. Okay, while doing these sort of problems, you have to remember one thing. You won't be able to invest more time. This is the most important part because each maths question carries lots of questions. It means the entire question paper comprises of number of questions with uh, various numbers, obviously. So if you cannot invest more time doing or solving questions like MCQ, SQ. So you have to remember the basic or the fundamentals of that particular chapter. Today I have decided to show you few graphical MCQ and ACQ type problem. So before discussing, let's take a look to the graph. That is the what graph is, all of you know. Just see, this one is x-axis and y-axis. That is x-axis and that is the y-axis. X O X dash is the x-axis and Y O Y dash is y-axis. All of you know. This one is the first quadrant. This one is first quadrant. This one is second quadrant. This one is third quadrant. This one is fourth quadrant. All of you know. Okay. Now let's go through the problems. First, MCQ type problems means each question carrying 1 mark. The graph of equation 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 is. So question is, what type of graph it is? 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Only x is here, isn't it? Only x is here. It means from here you can find the value of x, right? So you have to do some mental calculation. Okay, 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, only x is here, so the answer will be parallel to y-axis, isn't it? Parallel to y-axis. So the graph of the equation 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 is parallel to, answer will be parallel to y-axis. Okay, so this one will be the answer. Since this particular equation contains only one variable x, that is why. Let's go for next one. What is given? The graph of equation ay plus b is equal to 0 means y is equal to certain values are coming, isn't it? So the answer will be parallel to x-axis. So the answer will be parallel to x-axis, right? So since this question carrying only one variable y, others are constant, so y is equal to certain constant means parallel to x-axis. Just go to the next question. The graph of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. What type of graph it is? What type of graph it is? Okay, 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. Right, it is. Putting or replacing x and y by 0, you can get this answer. Means 2 into 0 plus 3 into 0, you will get 0, isn't it? So you can write this particular equation, means this particular straight line passing through origin. So the answer can be written as passing through origin. Origin means 0, 0. Okay, passing through origin. Next question is, what is given? The graph of the equation cx plus d is equal to 0 will be y-axis. Just see. One condition given. What is the condition? The graph of the equation cx plus d is equal to 0 will be y-axis. So this particular graph have to be y-axis. Then what the condition of being y-axis? Y-axis means x is equal to 0, isn't it? This one is y-axis, that is x is equal to 0. X-axis means y is equal to 0, right? It is. So the question is, for what value of d, you can say x will come as 0, right? It is. So since the condition given here is y-axis, under what condition this equation will be y-axis? All of you know that y-axis means x have to be 0, x is equal to 0. This one will be your answer. So for what condition x will be 0? So the answer will be when d is equal to 0. So this one will be your answer. If d is equal to 0, then cx is equal to 0, so x is equal to 0, isn't it? So while doing MCQ problems, you have to do all the calculations, whatever is needed mentally, so that you can save your time. That is very important. I am coming back with another set of these sort of problems. I am back with another set of problems. Please go through the problem carefully. What is given? Find the coordinate of the point of intersection of the graph of equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 12 and x-axis. Point of intersection of 2x plus 3y is equal to 12 and x-axis. Generally, these sort of questions carry 2 marks. Okay. X-axis means y is equal to 0. Right? It is. X-axis means y is equal to 0. So answer can be written like this. Putting y is equal to 0 in this equation, let's find the value of x. If y is equal to 0, two x plus 3 into 0 is equal to 12. Therefore, x is equal to 12 by 2, that is 6. Therefore, the required coordinate is 6, 0. So this will be the answer. The required coordinate is 6, 0. Why it is 6, 0? Since it is given x-axis, the point of intersection between x-axis and 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Okay, you know, the diagram could be like this, x-axis and 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. So this point of coordinate we have to find. It's like this. Okay. The next one is find the area of triangle formed by 3x plus 4y is equal to 12 and the axis. And the axis means both the axes. You know, the diagram will be like this. Say this one. We have to find the area of this triangle formed. This one supposed to be the equation and these are the axes, all of you know. Okay. Very interesting problem. Area of triangle formed by 3x plus 4y is equal to 12 and the axis. Right, it is? Say this one is like 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. So, you know, first we have to find the point of intersection at x-axis, then we have to find the point intersection at y-axis. Right, it is? So, putting x is equal to 0, we can find the point of coordinate of this particular straight line and y-axis. And by putting y is equal to 0, we can find the point of coordinate of this straight line and x-axis. If x is equal to 0, so y is equal to 12 by 4, that is 3. Okay, that is 3. Means the point will be, the point of coordinate will be 0, 3. If y is equal to 0, 3x plus 4 into 0 is equal to 12. That is x is equal to 12 by 3, that is 4. So the point will be 4, 0. So we got both the points here. One is 4, 0, another is 0, 3. Okay. 4, 0 means the base is 4 unit, the height is 3 unit. It's like this. Therefore, area of triangle will be half into 4 into 3, that is 6 square unit. Area of triangle will be 6 square unit. Half into, all of you know, half into base into height is area of triangle. This one being base, which is 4, this one is height, which is 3. So the area is 6 square unit. Okay, very, very interesting and important also. Okay. Next question. Find the distance of the point 6 minus 8 from y-axis and x-axis. While doing these sort of problems, you need to draw a rough diagram. That will make your job easy. Okay, let's see. Six minus 8 means this position would be like this. 6 minus 8. So the distance of the point 6 minus 8 from x-axis. So this one is 6 and this one is 8. It means, so the distance of the point from x-axis is the distance from x-axis is 8 unit. Okay, and the distance from y-axis is 6 unit. Okay, so drawing this particular point in a rough diagram, easily this answer could be found. Okay, so my dear students, from now I will start discussing with these sort of problems from various chapters. So this is enough for today. Goodbye then.